Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox this Haino Teko AIR-1 Mini. So this is a wireless earbud, just like the other model, but this one is a mini version. So this must be a smaller version of the AIR-1. So this brand, I have unboxed the same brand, which is very good brand, the Air 3 model. So that is, I already done the unboxing, and now I will unbox this new model that just came out in the market, the Haino Teko Air 1, the mini version. So here is the original box, and it says here it comes with a free cover also, and all these features, the auto power on and off, GPS for iOS, change name, no light version, battery display, touch sensor. So let us try that one later. And it says 3 hours music, calling, with the two earbuds. So 9 hours charging, box music, what is this, and calling. So 3 times charging box charging. So these are the features of this new Air 1. So let us open this. Let me open. I think I need a knife to open. Okay. Just like the other one, just slide it, and here it is. The small one, a smaller version of the earbuds. So the cover is red, and there's the hook. And of course the charging cable and the manual. I think that's all for the box. Now let us open this earbuds. Yeah. So here it is, guys. These are the charging port, and those, still it has the charging indicator. So I will remove the charging, I mean the cable, to see the real finish of these earbuds. So yeah, so it says here, still it's really nice plastic with a really nice engrave here. It's a laser engrave, and charging indicator, and there's the button here, reset button. So saying it's designed by Haino Teko in Germany and assembled in China. So really, it's really small. So let me. I will compare it to the other, the bigger model. I have the other one, the normal one. So I will compare it. But let me remove this. Yeah. So here it is, the earbuds. So it's a bit smaller than than the regular one. So it looks like this one is not very much long. So this one, let me hold on. I will take the other one, the one that I have, the old one. So I have this, the ordinary earbuds. So let us compare which one is better. As you can see, very noticeable. So this is the normal and this is the mini. This is the ordinary one, like the regular one, and this is the mini version. So, and it compared to the three of there is, I have this AIR-3, which I compared to the AIR-3. This is how it look like. Okay, I hope you see that. You can see the difference. So let's see. So it's really, it's much almost like the AIR-3. It's almost the same, but it's better looking than this one. So I like it. So let us set this aside and compare to the casing of this one to the ordinary one. This is the ordinary and this is the mini version. So you can see the difference on the box. You can see the difference on the in the enclosure. So it's really nice. This one is really nice. I like it. This one is much bigger, and this one is from Apple, by the way, but it's just a copy also. So this one really nice. The finish is plastic, and it's a nice and glossy finish. And here it is, guys. So let us put it back. And see. This is the free free cover. So let's put like this, and then you can hook it to your jeans. So I like it. I'll use it for sometimes. I will I will check the sound quality. So I hope you like this video, and please uh, do like and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading this kind of video, China products, but the good one. And I hope you like it. I hope you like it. And if you want to buy this, I will put the link down below in my video so that you can have it. It's available in online store here in Qatar, and I bought it for only 129 riyal, which is very cheap actually, and it's really nice. So I hope you like this video. As of the moment, I really like the AIR-3. It really sounds really good, but I will try for sometimes also this one. Okay, because I like it since it's really small. So I think that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will be notified for my if I uploaded a new video. uh, Thanks for watching, and see you.